Hey guys, it's another version of What Does It Mean Wednesday. So today's topic is insurance basics in regards to auto insurance. So many times I see new people, new clients coming over to me with their auto insurance, and from their prior carrier, they have 25, 50, 25. Okay, so what does this mean? In the state of Oklahoma, liability coverage, of course, is required, but the state minimum in the state of Oklahoma is 25, 50, 25. What this means is say you have an accident and you hit somebody else and it's your fault. That insurance company is going to pay $25,000 in medical payments to each person in the other vehicle, no more than $50,000 per that occurrence. So 25, 50. That last 25 is $25,000 of property damage to the other vehicle. This is horrible coverage. You do not want this. It may only cost you $2, $3 more a month just to increase this to 50, 150. But I still would not suggest that coverage. What most clients have is either 100, 300, 100, or 250, 500, 250. So that is more accurate coverage. And here's the reason why most recently I believe you should increase your limits. Health insurance. And most people are like, that doesn't make sense. How does health insurance come into play? Well, here's the thing. If you get into an accident and you hit somebody else, they're going to have to go to the hospital. Just think, if they're in a hospital for 1 week, what those medical costs are going to be. They're well going to exceed the limits that you have if you have 25, 50 or 50, 100. So you see all these attorneys on TV, if you've been injured in an accident, call the law offices of so-and-so. The reason why they're doing that is because they went over their limits, and now that attorney is helping that individual who got hit to go after the other person, go after their retirement, money that they've saved up, and they can even garnish their wages. So please check with your agent. If you're a client of mine, or if you want to get a quote, give me a call. It doesn't take much to make this increase, and it doesn't cost you that much either. So know your insurance, know your coverage. If you haven't met with your insurance agent in a while, do a review with them. I reach out to my clients every 1, 2, 3 years to sit and talk on the phone or meet in person and make sure they have the right coverage. So if you ever have any questions on this, give me a call. Know what kind of auto insurance coverage that you have. So that's your liability coverage. If you have full coverage, what that means is you have your liability insurance, and then you also have deductibles, either comp and collision deductibles. And the deductibles most likely are going to be required if you have a loan on your car. Actually, they're going to be required if you have a loan on your vehicle. And what these are there for is if you have an accident and it's your fault and you hit somebody else or something, that deductible is what you pay first until the insurance company covers the rest, either be a $500 deductible or a $1,000 deductible. So full coverage is your liability plus your deductibles. That is full coverage. And there's other coverages you can add, such as MedPay coverage. That's for you in case you get to an accident, it's your fault. It's going to cover medical costs for you. Or uninsured motorist coverage, which in the state of Oklahoma only covers liability for you if somebody hits you and they either are underinsured or not insured. Car rental coverage, towing coverage, glass coverage, or other coverages that you can add to your policy. So know what coverages you have. It doesn't take much to increase these coverages in regards to premium. You may pay a little bit more, but it's absolutely worth it and can save you thousands, tens of thousands of dollars if you were to ever get into an accident. As always, you guys ever have any questions, just give me a call or shoot me a message. You guys have a great Wednesday.